In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add bots to your Discord server. Before you get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can do this on mobile or PC. It works the exact same either way. We're going to go ahead and add some to the Just Boz Club, which is the server that I use for all of these. But you can essentially go ahead and create a Discord server from scratch and add these, or add them to a Discord server that you're already in charge of. But essentially, go ahead and scroll down until you get to this little Discover tab down at the very bottom. Select that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to select apps up at the very top. Once you are in this app section right here, you'll see all these different categories up at the very top. Essentially, either go ahead and search directly for whatever bot you want to go ahead and add, or just find some sort of bot. I'm just going to go into moderation and tools and find something. For example, we'll do this one right here. Actually, let's do this text-to-speech bot because that'll be kind of funny. Essentially, find whatever bot you want, select it, and then hit Add App, and then it's going to pop up with all of your different servers. Go ahead and select whatever one you want specifically. I'm going to choose that Just Boz Club. Hit Continue, and make sure all these are ticked on, and then hit Authorize, just like so. And it's going to add it directly, where you could just go directly to that server, and you'll see it's now in there. From here, you can go ahead and select it, figure out what commands it use. It looks like this one is a dash one, but essentially, just do dash and then whatever it is. This one was like voices, bang, we're good to go. But yeah, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.